Well, good morning, everybody. Thanks for watching. I'll be getting the tractor ready here, getting her fueled up, and we'll be getting out doing some work today. All right, so we're gonna go brushing today. Got to remember what all my controls do. Probably ought to turn it on one time just to see. We're good. Okay. Oh, almost forgot all my lights. All right, everything's covered up there. Okay. So we used to store the tractors at Faye's Motel, but now that we've got a new barn, we have to go down 27, and generally we go down and start at 93, where Trail 47 crosses 93. And so that's what I'm doing now. So we got to watch out for traffic here. I'm trying to stay without getting beat up too bad on the side of the road and without stopping the traffic going down Old 27. Working on my camera mounts. I think right now it's on kind of an angle. I got another mount I can put it on in a minute. But we'll wait till we get up onto the trail first. bouncing around? Yes, we have. Road gets a lot of traffic. We just crossed the bike trail to Heartwood Pines. Mostly what I'm trying to do is cut down anything that's going to hit the snowmobiles or the tractors. So you can see this stuff right ahead of me is hanging pretty low, and when the snow gets on that, that's going to hit the tractor this winter. So here I've got the camera strapped to my head, and you can see why I come back with a sore neck. And also you can see how difficult it is to watch what you're doing, where you're cutting, and at the same time you're trying to make sure the tractor stays on the trail. But you know what, it's a lot of fun. It's something I enjoy doing. I've done a lot of farming in my life, and those days are over, so this is something I can do now and help the community and enjoy being in the tractor. Just in case you wondered, the mower is operated hydraulically. The blades move with the hydraulics, and the joystick in my hand operates that. The tractor runs a big pump with its power takeoff. That's what makes everything work. Stuff that I cut down low, I try to be careful that I don't end up making like a punji stake sticking up. So if I cut it real low, I cut it right on the ground. Well, that's my goal. But considering I'm setting like 10 or 15 feet in the air, sometimes I can't see exactly how it's ending up. here's a branch that's blocking a stop sign. You can see my right hand here on the joystick for the mower, and it's got several buttons on it, and plus you tilt it forward and back and side to side. So sometimes as I get going wrong, I hit the wrong joystick and run the blade instead of the mower. So it's something you always have to be constantly watching. So this is the junction of 7 and 47. 47 actually ends right here. And I'm going to go over towards the back side of the airport and get this little part cleaned up. And then I'll go back on to the right, back up 47. Okay, done for the day. It's I don't know if it's 11:30 or 12:30, because we don't usually change stuff just because of daylight savings time, if you know what I mean. Let me look. It is what time? It is 1:27. Okay. So it was the other way. All right, well, hey, thanks for watching. This is what we do. We got a lot more to do. We got 89 miles of trails, and we've done maybe 10, 15, I don't know. Not very much. So bye for now.